It's the real developers of AI.
Before I started using an AI agent, I had to write all my code myself, like an animal. I was always forgetting to document things and then forgetting that I forgot to document them.
Hey, Beth, can you walk me through our auth flow? Okay.
And the context switching, I had so many tabs open all the time. GitHub, Notion, Jira, Linear, Confluence. I was a mess. Testing out this AI agent for the research team has been pretty annoying. It's kept me working all day. My AI doesn't just suggest things, it writes its own code across multiple files with documentation and tests, so I don't lose my frickin' mind.
Hey, Beth, so now can you walk me through the auth flow?
I cannot.
My AI-generated documentation can. RTFM, Matt,